Welcome to Make Wellness. This is Elle, and today I'm thrilled to share why we're so excited about bioactive precision peptides. You may have heard of peptides before. However, these are natural, not synthetic peptides. These are ingested, not injected, and are very potent and high impact. So what you're looking at here is not just a supplement, and it's not a synthetic peptide. What we have is a novel solution that delivers all natural peptides in the form of delicious, ready-to-mix drink beverages or pill form. Obviously, you can buy individual products, but these products are made to work in conjunction with one another. And the first collection I'll cover with you is something called the Muscle and Metabolic Collection. It's probably the most popular collection that we have, and I'll cover these 3 products that make up the Muscle and Metabolic Collection. So the first one is Lean. Lean helps you target visceral fat, and in human clinicals, the average person lost 6% body fat. 65% of that was around their core, meaning the stomach area. What was interesting is they continue to lose body fat for 20 consecutive weeks after first initial use. But the most astounding thing about it was that 100% of what they lost was from visceral fat, meaning that this product also helped protect their lean muscle while they were losing visceral fat. This is a first in the world conversation. There's never been a technology that could help us naturally lose visceral fat while protecting lean muscle. So this is really exciting. And then something else to note was that in clinicals, participants also consumed 600 less calories a day on average, because what lean does is actually influences hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. So even though you're not eating as many calories, you're also not grumpy or hangry or anything like that. So this is a very special product you'll absolutely love. The second product in the Muscle and Metabolic Collection is a product called Fit. When you drink Fit, you'll experience 47% less fatigue. You'll get 103% strength recovery. You get 4 times the protein synthesis compared to whey protein, and you'll also see a 54% increase in performance. So this is an amazing biohacking product. It's for young, old, male, female. If you work out, if you don't work out, everyone on the planet should be taking Fit. Fit makes every muscle in your body stronger, so that would include your heart and every other type of muscle. Fit is an incredible product for your overarching health. The other neat thing about Fit is that it naturally boosts your NAD. So inside of Fit, you'll find NAD precursors being NA and NMN. And so what happens is you're naturally born with NAD, and then your NAD is what resupplies something in your system called ATP, which is where you get your energy, your stamina. And so the problem is, though, as we age, we lose NAD. And so then our energy levels start to go down as well. But the NAD precursors that we put inside of it actually help naturally boost your NAD better than anything over time. So the longer you take Fit, the more and more energy and stamina and ATP you'll have. And then the last product in this collection is called Hydrated. We absolutely love Hydrated. Hydrated is phenomenal for hydrating your cells. And if your cells are hydrated, then all the other products that you take in conjunction with that will work even better. You'll get more absorption from the water that you drink. And when you're hydrated, it improves your complexion too, so that's never a bad thing. Now what's cool is when you put this collection on Subscribe and Save, you'll actually get 10% off and you'll get free shipping on any orders over $100. Then if you continue that subscription on your 4th month, you'll get 20% off moving forward and free shipping. Right now, among our customers, we have a 65% subscription rate, which is extremely high. And what that simply means is you're likely to not just like these products, but absolutely love these products. So if you're looking to tone up, increase your lean muscle, increase performance, then the Muscle and Metabolic Collection is a great place to start. And next we have the Mind and Motivation Collection. Again, this is going to be very hard for you to decide, but I have a solution to share with you at the end. So the first product in the Mind and Motivation Collection is called Energized. We absolutely love Energized. It has ginseng peptides in it and fatigue-fighting peptides in it, and it's kind of like this light blue cotton candy tart taste to it. It's very delicious. And you can do this first thing in the morning. You can do it mid-afternoon for like a pick-me-up. You can enjoy Energized anytime throughout the day where you just need that mental edge. And then the second product in the Mind and Motivation Collection is Calm. Calm is a support product, so it doesn't have peptides in it. However, when you take Calm, it has this wonderful lemon drop taste to it, and you just put it under your tongue. It's a powder and it just dissolves. And within a few minutes, you'll just notice that stress, anxiety, and worry falls off of you. So we call Calm a hug in a box. It's one of the most talked about products in our results group as well. And on that note, make sure you have the person that invited you to watch this video add you to the results group so that you can see tons of other testimonials and even share your own. Plus, we also have nutrition workshops in there, nutrition guides, at-home workouts, and we just try to add a ton of value to you as a customer in that group. The last product in the Mind of Motivation collection is something called Focused. I absolutely love Focused. It comes in capsule form and helps to decrease brain fog. It helps to decrease mental fatigue. It supports neurotransmitter balance for mood and alertness. And something interesting about it is it also reduces eye strain and brain fatigue from blue light exposure with a technology that we have inside of it called LoopMax Brain. But here's the thing, is Focused and Energized are designed to work in conjunction with each other. So that's why we have them in a collection, so that if you're going to take Focused or you're going to take Energized, you take both of them together. So if you want to enhance your cognitive ability, if you want to increase brain health and mental clarity, then the Mind and Motivation collection is a great place to start. Now, as far as getting started goes, obviously we've covered the Muscle and Metabolic collection and we've covered the Mind and Motivation collection, but when I heard about these 6 products, I couldn't decide. So what I chose was the Peak Performance collection because it had all 6. And again, you can put this order on subscription, you can get 10% off, and you can also get free shipping. And then on your 4th month, you'll get 20% off moving forward. You can also edit your subscription at any time based on what you need. So that concludes a short overview of all 6 products, and we'd love for you to experience these for yourself. So get back with the person that invited you to watch this. Ask them for their link and be one of the first in the world to experience bioactive precision peptides with Make Wellness. And we can't wait to hear about your results.